Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. With summer in full swing, staying cool is a must. Today, we're excited to share our list of the top 5 portable air conditioners for 2023. These units are sure to keep you comfortable no matter where you are. Let's jump right in. And if you're interested in any of the portable air conditioners we featured in this video, you can find the links to purchase them in the video description below. Just click on the links to grab your favorite cooling companion today. Number 5, EVAP Eva Chill Portable Air Conditioner. Starting off at number 5, we have the EVAP Eva Chill Portable Air Conditioner. This little powerhouse is ultra portable and boasts a unique USB connectivity feature. Its award-winning design and fast cooling capabilities make it a standout choice for just $78.99. Made from 80% ABS plastic, 15% electronic components, and 5% EVA Breeze material, it's both durable and efficient. With a reservoir capacity of 800 milliliters, it's perfect for spaces up to 26 square feet. The Eva Chill is a true energy-efficient solution with easy-to-use button controls. Number 4, Arctic Air Wearable Fan. Coming in at number 4, we have the Arctic Air Wearable Fan. This innovative neck fan is battery-powered and incredibly convenient for staying cool on the go. It's priced at just $22.79. Its electric fan design is perfect for outdoor use, and it's great for cooling, air circulation, and more. Whether you're in the kitchen or outdoors, this neck fan is a versatile choice with touchpad controls. Number 3, SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. Now, let's move on to number 3, the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. This unit packs a cooling power of 8,000 BTUs and is perfect for rooms up to 1,800 cubic feet. It's available at a competitive price. With a remote control for convenience, it's truly portable and comes in a sleek white design. The Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, SEER, of 9.8 ensures it's energy efficient while providing a comfortable environment. Number 2, SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner, again. Surprisingly, at number 2, we have another fantastic product from SereneLife. This portable air conditioner also offers 8,000 BTUs of cooling power and comes with a remote control. It's competitively priced at $199. Just like the previous model, it's portable and energy efficient with a SEER of 9.8. If you're looking for a reliable cooling solution, this is a strong contender. Number 1, Winter Portable Air Conditioner. And now, for the crown jewel, our number 1 pick is the Winter Portable Air Conditioner. With a cooling power of 14,000 BTUs, it's a powerhouse and even received the Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner title from Good Housekeeping. This unit is perfect for larger spaces, with a capacity of 500 cubic feet. It features a sleek platinum black design, 3 fan speeds, and remote control. While it's a bit pricier at $349, it's worth every penny for its performance. There you have it, our top 5 portable air conditioners for 2023. Whether you're on a budget or looking for the best of the best, there's a cooling solution for everyone. Remember to check the description for links to these products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay cool, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is Jackson, signing off. See you in the next video.